Hello guys, welcome, and today we will discuss how to improve fluency. Now in terms of fluency, it is a band descriptor in your IELTS exam. What does fluency mean? So fluency in general means how you speak, at what tone you speak, what is your pronunciation level, and also are the words that you speak can be heard clearly. Okay, so these are some of my tips to improve your fluency. The first one is engage in regular English conversations. Engagement in regular speaking regularly in English helps you a lot with your fluency. It not only improves your pronunciation but also helps in grasping what the language is all about. Also, what it does, it removes any hindrances that you may face. For example, stammering or any doubts that you have. So, engaging in regular conversations is very important. Secondly, is expanding your vocabulary. As I've alluded before in the previous videos, you can improve your vocabulary in different ways. Obviously, reading books, journals, looking for words in dictionaries, thesaurus helps you in expanding your vocabulary. And this posted a video on how to expand your vocabulary. I'll post a link in the description. Okay. The third is listening to podcasts, audiobooks, or news broadcasts. Obviously, when you listen to different kinds of audiobooks which are available on Amazon or available in different websites, you can you can increase your knowledge further. Also, while listening to these audiobooks, you will learn how native speakers speak, because these audiobooks are spoken by people who are native English speakers. Okay, so this will help you a lot in your increasing of fluency. Fourth part is practice speaking tasks regularly. Obviously, practice makes a man perfect. As cliched as it sounds, practicing speaking will help you a lot in understanding the language, also increase your fluency. Okay. The fifth point is using online resources. Online resources such as YouTube or IELTS with Amanitri will help you a lot in not only expanding your knowledge but also help in understanding the language. Because without understanding the language, you will not be able to grasp or develop your language skills. Okay, so these are my tips. The IELTS test is in general very easy, but students often get confused. And another problem that they face is that they do not practice enough. That's why they do not get enough bands in their first attempt. So our target is for you to get at least 7 plus band. And one of the descriptors is fluency, which is checked by the examiner. They often get confused in their speaking. They pause a lot, they say they are trying to get ideas. So developing ideas is also very important. That's why in this video I have discussed how you can improve your fluency. If you read more, if you listen to podcasts, you will develop ideas. And not only that, it will also help you in increasing your knowledge base. If you like this video, please like and share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button